Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Come say hi. Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me Easter video. It's been a while since I've done a clean and decorate video. I think the last one I uploaded was for Christmas maybe. I didn't do a Valentine's Day one because I really didn't have a lot to set out anyways. So I do have a little bit bigger of a tote for the Easter stuff. So I'm just going to take you guys with me and I'm gonna clean and decorate. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so here is my Easter tote. And I've got some cute little dish towels in here that I always set out every year. Got some figurines that I set out. Some cute signs. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this and see what I can do with this. So I forgot to show you guys our new light in our dining room. It's been so long since I've done a video that I just completely forgot that I've made a couple of changes. This was one of them. We needed a new light and I just thought it was so cool, and I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So it actually has a dimmer on it, so I can make it brighter. Turn this ring light off so you guys can see better. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell with the light, but yeah, I was just so excited to get this. All right, you guys, so here is another change that we've made. My husband surprised me for Christmas and he made this shelf for me, this little entertainment stand. Hi, bud, I know. I think it is so much better than what we had before. I just, hey, bud. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with it. And our TV is up on the wall now, so it just makes it so much easier. And plus it's a lot easier to clean. That other top that we had was just glass and I had to wipe it every single day and it still looked dusty. So this will be so much easier to maintain. I just wanted to show y'all that too. usually do not have this many blankets out, but it's been so cold that I just like to have them near me. So I've got like 3 blankets over here, and then I've got a pillow and 2 more blankets over here. Jack, are you tired from cleaning and decorating? Yes.